Guys, we got a sexy Jaguar F-Pace supercharged V6. Almost 490 horsepower, I think it is. It's nice, 4-door SUV. I'll show you what we got done on it, guys. So it's got the factory converters there and right there. Then we turn around, goes into a dual in, dual out resonator, first one. Then 2 more resonators that we might cut off in a minute and put Natamis in their place. We don't know yet, depends on the sound. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and then we did a rear muffler delete. There was 2 mufflers there, one there and one there. We took them off, and he's gonna wrap it in red. So once he wraps it, we're gonna order him some special red tips that we're gonna put on it. So there'll be a second video coming. It's all-wheel drive F-Pace. Here it is. He just bought it and brought it to us. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. That's clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 102. What do you think? You want to change it or keep it? You like it? Okay. He likes it, so we're gonna keep it. Maybe next time. Yeah. Not a bad sound at all. It is clean, I like it. Clean deep tone because it's supercharged. Clean idle. It's quiet. Look at it. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jaguar F-Pace Type S. It's a sexy looking car, man. I like it. 2018. It's got some Audi accents to it too. See how quick this thing is. Not bad.